Hey guys, sorry. Let me get my thing on here. Alright. Oops. I really need to clean a little bit better. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick skincare live as well. So I'm gonna just use some wipes. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of these wipes. I did get these in a subscription box and I hate it. So I'm just trying to use it up as quickly as I can. Only reason why I don't like them, is because I feel like they don't really clean your face that much. But thankfully we're going to have some skincare and they're gonna definitely clean out my face. But yeah. I'm going in with Farmasi's new skincare line, which is Aqua. And I'm going in with that. But other than that, that's about all. Like I said, these wipes suck. I'm hoping that my oil is getting, or my oily face is getting better, but who knows. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of dampen my face just a bit so I can put that cleanser on as well. So I'm using the Aqua Restoring Gel Cleanser. So this will cleanse your face, pretty much just clean it, making sure there's no holes. And of course it does have a seal on there. And then of course it is a gel consistency, which is nice. And it's supposed to be hydrating as well, which I don't know. I have been having really oily problems, but it does feel very hydrating. I think it's nice, but hopefully it's okay. It'll be okay. So I'm just cleansing because I really need it. By the way, you guys, just as a reminder, with the last live I was on here, it is my dishwasher that is making noises, just so you all know. So yeah, it did still have makeup on there, which I'm pretty much taking all of it off. You can tell right there, that mess. So I'm glad. Alright, so cleansed face. I'm going to go in with Pore Minimizer Tonic, the charcoal line, mainly because I want to make sure my pores are going to be minimized as well. Probably not a good idea, but it's okay. Alright, and I'm just dabbing that in around the areas that I'm having a problem with that. Alright, so I'm going to let that set in just a minute. I'm also going to put on some Aqua Revitalizing Eye Cream. So it's supposed to hydrate your under eye as well. So it's kind of nice to have that. I'll put that under the eye real quick. Alright. Of course, tomorrow morning I'll probably will be doing another skincare regimen, but it won't be a live or anything. But alright, so I am going to also put in the Aqua Boosting Hydra drops as well. It is just a dropper. We have a lot of these things, I guess. And this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a thick consistency, which is okay. bit more because that tonic kind of like dried me out, which is okay. That's what it's supposed to do. But since I cleansed my face, the tonic kind of, you know, kind of like, tonics are supposed to burn, so that's what it did just now. Alright, so I am also going to be putting in the Aqua Hydrating Cream. It is a Hydra Protect technology, long-lasting hydration, and nourishes. And of course, it's been tested. It is paraben, gluten, and fragrance free, which is awesome. It's been, all of them are sealed. I've never used this product or this line yet, which tonight is the first night. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna just plop on some. Alright. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So this is supposed to be like a hydrating skincare line that they are offering. Of course, we do have other skincares. We have our Lume Radiance, we have our Aqua, our Acne, our Charcoal, our Calendula, oh wait, no, this is our sunscreen. Our Calendula, also our Age Reverserous, and the Rose Water line. We have a bunch of skincares for all skin types, oily, dry, whichever is your guys' jam. Lately my skin has been really oily, so I have been trying to take care of my skin by controlling my oil. So who knows what tomorrow's gonna be like. I'm going to definitely try to go live again at morning and of course at night. Mostly probably going to be makeup and skincare, but who knows on how it's going to be. So I just thought I'd come on here and do a skincare. I don't know if I'm going to do a Farmasi skincare or if I'm going to be doing a non-Farmasi skincare. I don't know yet. So the skin feels hydrated, but yet also really nice. So if you guys have questions about this type of skincare, let me know. If you guys have the acne prone skin, I would love to help you guys out as well on that. And I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.